Hey there students, today I'm going to help you understand the fascinating world of speed units. Now you might have heard of knots, Mach, miles per hour and kilometers per hour. Ships measure speed in knots, aeroplanes use Mach, and different countries use different units for road speeds. But to keep things simple, scientists use a standard unit, meters per second, written as ms. So, what does meters per second mean? It's the number of meters traveled in each second. For example, if a horse runs at 15 mph, it covers 15 meters every second. Easy, right? Now let's talk about average speed. It's used when an object's speed changes during a journey. The formula for speed is distance divided by time. Using this, you can also calculate the distance traveled if you know the speed and time, or the time taken if you know the speed and distance. Always work in meters, seconds, and meters per second unless stated otherwise. Remember to show your steps and include the correct units in your calculations. Let's dive into a quick example. Imagine a bus travels 100 meters in 20 seconds. To find the speed, divide the distance by the time. That's 100 meters divided by 20 seconds, which equals 5 m/s. Here are some worked examples. Marcus rides his bike at 4 m/s for 60 seconds. To find the distance, multiply the speed by the time. That's 4 times 60, giving us 240 meters. Sophia's car travels at 35 m/s. To find how long it takes to travel 2100 meters, divide the distance by the speed. That's 2100 divided by 35, equaling 60 seconds. Remember, calculations might use different units like kilometers and hours, but stick to meters, seconds and meters per second unless told otherwise. Show your steps and include the right units. That's it for today. Keep practicing and you'll master speed in no time. See you next time.